Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody's having trouble drawing this, and they're doing everything right. They're just missing one step. So I'm going to just start from the scratch. He was telling me what he did. He sent me that one. Make it something equal like 8 inches. Doesn't really matter. And then hit P, put it in the center of the page. Take a 2-point line, holding down the control button. So it'll be perpendicular, and then hit P. Put that line in the center, and then delete that line. You don't have to get your calculator. Hit the plus key on your keyboard and mirror it, and then take this right here and click on it. Now what he's doing, he's not doing anything wrong, but if you look, you get 2 objects. Go up to object and combine them, which should work. But then when he goes and makes it something thicker, and then he adds arrows, it puts an arrow right there. So that's basically a telltale sign that there are 2 nodes that are still not selected or joined. You can't really delete them because it's going to distort our drawing. But what you can do is select them both and right click and join them. Now they're one piece. And then just go back up here to your arrow keys. Now, you can put arrows on both sides. Now what's kind of cool about it is go to, these are lines. Even the arrows are basically lines. I'm going to go to object and convert the outline to an object. And I can left click, right click, and you can see that they are, I didn't have it selected. They're welded together and ready to go and do anything you want to with it. That's a pretty cool design. There's a lot you could do with this. That's all he asked for, but I'm going to keep going. Control D, alternate C to rotate from the center. And let's just do it, see what happens at 22.5 degrees. Yeah, it's going to have to be 45. And then Control D, and you get a total different look. So I'm just going beyond, so I'm going to weld it, and welding got rid of all that. And let's just take the Smart Fill tool. You know what? It is an object now, so I can just be able to take the red and don't have to Smart Fill and then take away the outline. And let's just make it a little prettier like I always do, and add a little interactive feel to it and see what it looks like on black. Now I went totally beyond his question, but make the video a little more interesting. There's a lot you can do with that, but that's how you would create that. Anyway, I hope that answers the question, and thank you for watching.